Hello, classmates. My name is Samantha Owens. I live in Dallas, Georgia, with my husband Wayne and my daughter Arlen, who will be 3 on Monday. I can't believe it. I have taught Georgia Lottery funded pre-K for 3 years now. I teach at a preschool in Temple, Georgia called Little Tigers Academy. I love it because my daughter can come to work with me, and also I just love pre-K age, the 4 and 5-year-olds. I love getting to be their first teacher, helping them acclimate to a school environment before heading off to big school, as they call it. I also graduated from Kennesaw State University in 2015 with my bachelor's in early childhood education. A memorable issue involving gifted students. Well, in pre-K, my students aren't formally tested for gifted education yet, but I can definitely see the potential in some of my children. For this, I'm going to draw on my experience from student teaching. I was in a first grade classroom. Um, a few of the gifted kids would finish their work in literally 2 minutes, then race each other to the computer to kill time until everyone else was finished with their work. And this brought to my attention the importance of creating meaningful extension work for gifted children instead of just busy work. And then favorite or least favorite aspect of working with the gifted. My favorite things, they crave knowledge, they want to learn, they ask good questions to further their understanding. I enjoy watching them brainstorm, watch the wheels turn as they're thinking up ways to solve problems. Lots of opportunities for creative projects. I love watching them excel and come up with really cool ideas for creative projects. My least favorite, I've seen some students have egos about their intelligence and their gifted label. Some students, when they're back in their general ed classroom, notice when other students are behind. I've heard them talk about it with their peers, brag about, what reading level they're on, how much they know. So it's good to teach them sort of, to be humble. Everyone learns at their own pace. And then everyone learns differently. Also, boredom in the general education classroom can create behavior problems. Again, in my student teaching class, some boys would get really bored, I guess, with the lesson, and they would provoke each other, had to move desks a whole lot. So, well, those are my favorite and least favorite aspects of working with gifted children. I really look forward to getting to know everybody this semester. Thanks for listening.